Hey guys, it's Jerry Metalman Battaglia, and it's around 8 o'clock in the morning on Columbus Day, Monday, the 10th, October 10th, and I'm just driving around doing some scouting, and happened to be in Rocky Point, Long Island, and was driving down the street, and I had to come to the parking lot here because I wanted to share with you this awesome car I just seen. I think it may be for sale because it's just literally facing out from the parking lot to the main road. Really excited I just found this car. I think I may know who owns it. One of the stores back here, maybe an owner, but it's 8 o'clock. He left it out overnight, it seems like. Guys, check out my channel. Over 400 videos of classic muscle and classic European cars. I got the Tri-5 Chevys, the 55 Chevy. I got so many different classic cars. My biggest drawer is the 55 Chevy community, Tri-5 Chevy community, which is awesome, but I'm branching out. Please like and share my videos, subscribe to my channel, leave any comments down below, guys. I just want to share with you this car. Check this out. Hold on a second. Like I said, driving down the road, I spotted this bad boy. Man. Beautiful. 64 Corvette Fuelie. Guess it's not for sale, but I think the man that owns the coin shop and jewelry business behind, and he owns his car. Four-speed car. This thing is beautiful, guys. There's a jewelry store. I think he may be the owner. I know he's into classic cars, but why would you leave a 64 Fuelie Corvette sitting out here? Got the Kelsey Hayes knockoff on it. Pretty awesome, right? I thought maybe because it was pointed towards the road, it had a for sale sign on it. Leave any comments down below, guys. Like and share this video, subscribe to my channel. It's pretty awesome, it's beautiful. This car is clean. American muscle right here, guys. Can't get any better than this. Really nice car. So again, guys, it's Jerry Metalman Battaglia. I'm out here looking for all these classic cars out on Long Island. Keep on a lookout. Subscribe to my channel. New videos are coming every single day. All right? Stay positive. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.